Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Squarespace, how to create and customize a website on Squarespace for toys and games business, easy and quick. So first type Squarespace on the search. So as we know, Squarespace is a website building tool that makes it easy for anyone to create their own website without needing to know how to code. It offers templates and tools to help you design and customize your site. So first of all, wait a few seconds. So first of all, you can get started from here, or if you want to see templates, so let's go with this, see templates. So here you can choose your type of your business, and you can also choose your topic of your business. So you can choose from here. Here is not the toys and games business is not here. So here you can change the type, online store. You can make it membership, courses, services, whatever you want. You can make it blog or whatever you want. So let's move on now. So you can choose one of these templates here. You can go one of these templates. So for let's see this. You can build here your own template. So let's get started. Let's go with this. So here you can add your site name. Type any name for toys and games business. So let's continue. Here you can build your home page. You can choose your intro section. You can choose here your product section. Also you can choose here your services section. You can choose your about section. You can change the social section and the forms section and the footer section. So that's it. Now let's continue. Here you can choose your the color theme. I'm gonna choose this, and here you can choose the font. So let's go with this and let's finish. Wait a few seconds. So here you can choose if you want to skip or if you want to continue. So let's continue, see what's happened. So you can describe more the toys and games store business. So you can describe more. This is just for example. Here you can choose the writing style. I'm gonna choose professional, and let's continue. And here wait a few seconds for building the website. So this is your homepage website right now. So you can change it. You can change the view. You can make it like a desktop style like this, or like a mobile view like this. So I'm gonna make it just the desktop view. So that's it. Now let's go to the site size. So here you can edit the site size, the fonts. First here we have the fonts. You can edit here. You can switch the fonts back. Here you can change the base size, and here you can change the headings, the paragraphs, and the buttons. And you can reset font back. So that's it. Now let's move on to the colors. So here you can edit the colors section. So here you can edit the palette. You can customize your themes. For example, let's go with this. So here you can change the color themes here of the site titles, the navigation links, or the section background, the background overlay, the inset border, and the section divider stroke. You can change the color of it. Also here the heading, the extra large, the medium, the small, the paragraphs, the text, the background, and the highlights. So that's it. Also here you can edit the color of the primary button background and the primary button text. So that's it. Now let's get back and let's move on to another section, the animations. So here you can edit the animations. You can make it set none or fade or scale or slide or clip or flex. You can also change the speed. You can make it slow or medium or fast. So that's it. Now let's move on to the spacing. So here you can edit the page width max and the size margin. So also you can reset size to defaults. So that's it. Now let's move on to the buttons. So here you can edit the buttons section. You can edit the text, the form of the text, and the shape. Here you can edit the shape of it, the fill. So here you can edit this, the outline, and that's it. So here you can edit the image blocks. You can edit the text and alignments. Also you can edit the content width, the title separation, and the button separation, and the image separation, the image width, the button separation, the title separation, and that's it. Now let's get back. So if you want to edit your home page, if you want to add a section, just click here, and so here you can select what kind of section you want to add on your home page. You can choose any section you want. So for me, I'm gonna choose the code section, or the wait a few seconds, or about section. So I'm gonna choose one of these. So let's go with this. Now let's move it down. So you can move it down from here. Click on it and it will be moved down. So first here we have the header. You can edit the site header here. You can change the site title and the logo. Here you can add the logo. You can change the site title, and also you can add the mobile logo image. So the logo you can upload it from your library. So it might be related to the business, to the toys and games business. So let's move on now to the elements. So here you can turn this on button, and you can change this, the text on the label button. Also you can edit the social links. So you can turn this on, the card. You can change the style icon and the text. You can change the text on it here. So that's it. Also you can switch the language. You can change the border, and also you can show zero in cart. So that's it. Now let's move on to the style. So here you can change the style of it, and also you can turn this on, fixed position. So that's it. If you want to add any image or text on any section, just click here and you can add any image or video or button or text. For example, let's add image. Click here and now you can select it from your library or from free image. So for example, here toys and games, and search. So for example, I'm gonna choose this just for example. So you can drag it and put it at any place you want. You can add it on this. Like this. So that's how to edit your your photos. You can add it on this photo here. So whenever you want to add any photo, just click add block, and you can select image or text or whatever you want. If you want to duplicate some section, just click here and click duplicate, and it will be duplicated. If you want to save the section, you can save it from here. You can move it up or move it down, and after this just click save, and it will be saved. So that's it. Now you can publish your site and start selling. So that's it for today. That's how to customize your store for toys and games business, easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.